Welcome back to my channel, beauties. Today we have an exciting topic to discuss. Things you need from Sephora. Whether you're a makeup lover, a skincare fanatic, or simply looking to enhance your beauty routine, Sephora is the ultimate destination for all of your beauty needs. So let's just dive right in. First up, let's talk about skincare. Sephora offers a wide range of skincare products that cater to different skin types and concerns. Here are a few essentials you should add to your shopping list. Up first, cleanser. A good cleanser is the foundation of any skincare routine. Look for one that suits your skin type and effectively removes dirt and impurities without stripping away your natural oils. I've personally been loving the Origins Checks and Balances cleanser, and I also love the Kapari gel cleanser as well. I have sensitive skin, and both of these cleansers work wonders to remove dirt and makeup and impurities from my skin without drying it out. So if you have sensitive skin like I do, these cleansers shouldn't cause you any irritation or skin issues. They are both gentle on the skin, and I personally really love the light and refreshing scent of the Kapari cleanser. The Origins cleanser is a much thicker and creamier consistency and texture, whereas the Kapari one is more gel-like in texture. But both are excellent for combination to dry to normal skin types, so pretty much all skin types can use these. Murad also carries a vitamin C cleanser, which is excellent as well. It is not drying, and it also gives your skin a brightened effect, and it also feels softer as well after using it. Then you'll need moisturizer. Hydrated skin is happy skin. Invest in a moisturizer that nourishes and protects your skin throughout the day. Whether you have dry, oily, or combination skin, Sephora has plenty of options to choose from. Kate Somerville has excellent moisturizers, and the La Mer moisturizers, while a bit more pricey, work wonders, and a little bit does go a long way. I personally love the Glow Recipe Watermelon Moisturizer, which is lightweight in texture and feels incredible on your skin. So if you have sensitive skin, it'll leave your skin feeling less irritated, just plumped, refreshed, and hydrated, whether sensitive or dry. Up next is face serums. Treat yourself to a face serum with Sephora's collection of facial treatment options. From vitamin C to hyaluronic acid serums, there's something for everyone. These serums help address specific skin concerns such as hydration, brightening, or detoxification. I personally love the Murad Collagen Serum, which makes your skin look plumper and more youthful. I also love the Murad Overnight Retinol Treatment, which helps to shrink pores and also reduce the look of wrinkles. Glow Recipe also has some amazing facial serums which are made of clean beauty ingredients and feel incredible on your skin. Then face masks. Sephora has a collection of face masks to choose from for a variety of different skin types. You can choose a moisturizing face mask if you do have dry or irritated skin, but they also have amazing brightening masks and acne skin clearing masks as well. You can't go wrong with the Sephora sheet masks, which they have for face and eyes. These Sephora sheet masks provide brightening and tightening effects to your skin, moisturizing as well, and they're pretty affordably priced. This Kate Somerville Vitamin C mask is amazing at brightening your complexion and leaving you with a plumper, more youthful look to your skin. And I also personally love the Innisfree K-Beauty face masks, particularly the clay mask, which is excellent for tightening your pores and deep cleaning your skin. It will also help with acne-prone skin to help prevent breakouts. Moving on to makeup, Sephora is a beauty lover's paradise. Here are some must-have makeup products that should be on your radar. First up is foundation. Finding the perfect foundation can be a game changer for your makeup routine. Sephora offers a wide range of shades and formulas to match every skin tone and type. Don't forget to get shade matched by one of their beauty experts. And if you'd like a more full coverage foundation, I think you would absolutely love the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Foundation. For a more natural look, the Armani foundations provide the ultimate glow and dewy skin effect. Especially if you have dry skin, you might really love the Armani foundations. Another foundation that is a favorite of many is the Makeup by Mario Surreal Skin Foundation, which is very similar to the Armani finish, maybe has a bit more coverage, but it is also more affordably priced as well, and it does give you that glow and that luminosity to your skin. For a very luxurious finish, I would recommend the Lancome The Tint Idol Ultra Wear is an excellent choice, and if you love a more natural finish, the Dior Backstage Foundation is a great choice for that natural skin look, your skin but better. Overall, some of my personal favorite foundations include the Too Faced Born This Way foundation, as well as the NARS Radiant foundation, which is just a gorgeous foundation. The Dior Forever foundation also is a stunning finish and does give more coverage. But if you feel like you need even more coverage, definitely look into the Hourglass Stick Foundation or the Makeup Forever Stick Foundation. These will provide extreme coverage, which I personally love to use for my deep circles under my eyes and the hollowing. It will conceal that. I just use a small amount of one of these stick foundations under my eyes and it conceals the dark circles and that hollowing. Sophia Rishi also uses the Hourglass foundation in this manner, and so it's an excellent choice for those with those dark circles and hollowing under their eyes. It definitely helps to conceal all of that. It kind of plumps it up and makes it look refreshed, the under eye. Then you want to look at mascara. Amp up your lashes with high quality mascara. Sephora offers a variety of mascaras that lengthen, volumize, and define lashes. Say goodbye to clumpy lashes and hello to fabulous flutter. The Rare Beauty mascara offers a natural and effortless look, whereas the Pat McGrath mascara gives you volume and length that is just unbeatable. The Sephora brand mascara is also excellent and it's very affordable as well. Then there's lipsticks. A swipe of lipstick can instantly elevate your look. Sephora has an extensive collection of lipsticks in various shades and finishes. From bold reds to subtle nudes, there's a lipstick for every occasion. If you'd like a long-wearing lipstick, the Dior lipsticks provide pigmentation and staying power while also providing a non-drying feel to the lips. Charlotte Tilbury also has a wide range of lipsticks that are also long-lasting yet feel creamy and comfortable on the lips. The shade range of Charlotte Tilbury lipsticks is unbelievable, especially if you love those nude lip colors and those nude lip shades. Charlotte Tilbury is sure to have a lipstick for you. The Lawless Beauty lipsticks are another option for the lipstick lover, especially those who appreciate clean beauty ingredients. The Lawless lipsticks come in a wide range of shades with many natural nude-toned options. I'm actually wearing Lawless right now. They are flattering to so many complexions. They feel creamy and moisturizing on your lips, and yet they are long-lasting. And again, you cannot beat the clean beauty ingredients of the Lawless products. Next up is eyeshadows. What trip to Sephora wouldn't be complete without picking up a new eyeshadow palette? It's so much fun to play with all the different shades and colors that come out each season. If you love a nude eyeshadow look, then the new Makeup by Mario eyeshadow palette, which is loved by so many, might be a great choice for you. Of course, there's also Natasha Denona. I Need a Nude palette is a great option if you love nude eyeshadows, although it is a bit more pricey than the Makeup by Mario. Natasha Denona also carries many colorful eyeshadow palettes as well, though. And I personally love the Urban Decay eyeshadow palettes, which provide neutral and colorful options in one palette. And the Urban Decay palettes are also cruelty-free and vegan, and many times they come with a dual-ended eyeshadow brush. So that is awesome as well. Lastly, let's talk about beauty tools and accessories that can enhance your makeup application and skincare routine. Makeup brushes. Good quality makeup brushes are essential for achieving a flawless makeup look. Sephora offers a wide range of brushes for every step of your makeup application. Invest in a few key brushes that suit your needs. The Sephora collection brushes are excellent quality and they're pretty affordably priced too. I personally also love the Charlotte Tilbury brushes, whether for eye or face. Any of the brushes that I've used from Charlotte Tilbury perform like a dream. Up next is the Beauty Blender. The iconic Beauty Blender is a must-have tool for flawless foundation application. It helps blend your foundation seamlessly into your skin, giving you an airbrushed finish. And the Sephora Collection Beauty Blender in particular is an excellent choice and is definitely more affordably priced than the original Beauty Blender. Although some people love the way the original Beauty Blender performs, so it's a matter of preference because some people do see a huge difference when they use the original Beauty Blender as compared to the less affordable options. So it's definitely up to you if you'd like to splurge on the original or Sephora brand is so good. Sephora also offers a wide range of hair tools that you can use to create various styles and achieve salon-like results at home. They have great shampoos as well as hairstyling products. So thank you so much for checking out my Sephora shopping guide. Remember, these are just a few of the many incredible products available at Sephora. Whether you're a beauty beginner or a makeup pro, Sephora has something for everyone. So head over to your nearest Sephora or visit their website to explore and discover your own beauty essentials. If you've enjoyed today's video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and to subscribe to my channel for even more beauty content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy shopping!